How to track Gmail account location. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to track your Gmail account location. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, start by launching a web browser on your device. Click on the Gmail at top right corner which is next to Images. And make sure that you logged into your account. From this home screen of Gmail, simply open the particular or suspicious Gmail. Now simply scroll down and look for three dots at top right corner. Click on it. A menu appears where you simply need to click on Show Original. Now you will land on the section where you will see all the informations about this Gmail. You simply need to scroll down and look for Received SPF. Where you will see the client's IP address, you simply need to copy this by clicking Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now you can easily open a new tab and you can easily launch or go to IP Finder or simply IP address finder website where you can simply go to those website and then copy paste the IP address and you can easily trace or track the Gmail location. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.